Hello, and welcome to our live podcast here in Nashville, Tennessee at our 2023 National Conference. With changing technology so rapidly, here at eClinicalWorks, we try to bring in efficiencies to make it easier for you to document faster. To take advantage of these technologies within eClinicalWorks, here with us is Dr. Ammar from Ammar Health to discuss how they're leveraging these features in their organization. Thank you so much, Doctor, for being here with us today.
Thank you, Marisa.
How are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
Awesome. So tell us a little bit about yourself and your practice.
Okay, first I want to thank eClinicalWorks for this amazing event. It's one of the best I ever attend. It's very organized, a lot of information and networking. So I want to thank the CEO and Dr. Raj and all the staff for what they did. I'm Mustafa Ammar. I'm the Chief Medical Officer at Ammar Health. Ammar Health is one of the largest federally qualified health center in Northern California. We have 13 medical clinic at this time and 6 dental clinic. By next year, we are upgrading to 17 medical clinic. We have more than 100 medical provider and about 20 dental provider. We provide mainly primary care, but also we have specialty including rheumatology, cardiology, infectious disease, derm, ortho. Also, we are the main provider for Ryan White program, and also the Suboxone program and transgender clinic.
Oh, wow, amazing. So you do it all.
Yes,
Yep. Awesome.
we try.
Awesome, amazing. So you guys recently moved to version 12. How was the transition? How was the change? And how has it helped you in your organization?
You know, anytime you update your EHR, it's a scary event because you never know what happened on Monday morning when you come back. And we plan to do the upgrade in March, but we kept postponing just to be sure we are ready. In June, we did it over the weekend, and Monday it was the smoothest upgrade ever happened. We
That's
have no
amazing.
issue, no problem. I never received any phone call or complaint. It was like any other regular day. And in the weeks after, provider actually started giving compliment for the upgrade because improve a lot of their daily activity.
Definitely. Lots of improvements, lots of features to improve efficiency. So can you list a few features that you're currently utilizing within version 12?
This upgrade is probably it's a blockbuster upgrade for eClinicalWorks. But I can mention some. The most important thing to me, the Encounter tab. That's a new thing. You can go to the chart on the right side of the chart where you can review the previous progress note while you are looking at the progress note. So that's huge. Also the floating
Toolbar.
toolbox. That's also very helpful where you can access medication, medical record, treatment plan while you are seeing the patient in the same page. Also the medication search and the prescription improved significantly. Especially also I like the medication hyperlink that you can click on the medication while you're in the progress note and do a lot of changes without moving to the medication. Also split medication is very good character because a lot of our patients, they like to send their medication to 2 different pharmacy. So you can, on the same time, you can send the medication to 2 different pharmacy without going back and forth. Plus the procedure tracking bubbles, which give you different color. So you don't need to check with the nurses if the order or the injection is done. They will give you different color to be sure. So in general, the system really improves the application performance significantly. It's more efficient. After I talk to the providers, they saving almost 2 to 3 minutes on each chart. So by the end of the day, you're almost saving an hour. So it's more efficient, faster, they finish their work, and definitely a better patient care.
That's a significant improvement in your documentation time. That's amazing to hear.
Yes.
So what would you say, which feature was like the wow factor for you?
Well, all of them, it's a great. To me, personally, when I work, the one I like the most is Encounter tab and the floating toolbox. Those I use a lot. It's amazing to have them. They really help and save you a lot of click.
That is amazing to hear. Thank you so much for sharing your feedback with us.
My pleasure.
So, Doctor, how do you keep up with trainings on these new features that come out every now and then, right? How do you keep up with training your staff on a day-to-day basis?
Oh, that's extremely important because when you do upgrade, it's not enough to have the upgrade. You need to be sure that the staff know about the upgrade. So as I mentioned, the upgrade was very smooth. So the second day on Monday, everybody was seeing patient, no patient interruption. But now, how to tell the staff about all this great benefit the new upgrade has. So we do it several ways. We have a great IT department staff. So they go one-on-one to all the clinic to show the provider and train them how to use all this feature. Plus, we do send email. We have a pre-recorded video with the training available on our website, and also we can send it to the provider. So I will say within like a month or two, most of our provider and staff, they are aware of all this advantage and benefit, and they are using it and they are very happy with it. Not only that, when we're done, we keep going back and be sure, because sometimes we need to remind them and be sure they're using it. So the same team keep going and rounding on all the clinic and see the staff and the provider and be sure they are using those feature appropriately.
Great. And we have a lot of these videos and support documents on my.eclinicalworks.com as well, which will help your providers and resources to learn. Also, your new hires as well. So that's a lot of great information on there as well.
That's part of it what we do. And actually earlier I was talking with Dr. Raj about those. Like for the new hire, they can start the training right away with the eClinicalWorks video.
Yep.
That's also available to us, which we really appreciate.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you all for joining here in Nashville 2023 conference. My name is Marzia Fatima from the eClinicalWorks podcast team. If you want to watch other podcast episodes, they will be available on YouTube, iTunes, Spotify, and my.eclinicalworks.com. Thank you for joining us. Have a good day.